Finally tonight here, a rite of passage for any outgoing first family, the final wave. But what comes next? Here's ABC's Lindsay Davis.
As much as it is an exit, it is a rite of passage. The outgoing president, one last wave goodbye. In 2009, President Obama waved from the ground. 3 days from now, he'll be on that chopper, no longer called Marine One, which is reserved for the current president. It'll likely be called Executive One, flying the first family to Joint Base Andrews, where they'll take one final flight aboard the presidential plane, no longer called Air Force One, which is also reserved for the current president, en route to Palm Springs for vacation. On Monday, the Obamas visited this D.C. shelter where the White House recently donated Sasha and Malia's backyard swing set. And the First Lady posted this video on Twitter this morning, captioned, "Taking it in on one last walk through the people's house," trading the White House in for this rented house. Their golf clubs and flat screen TV already moved in. Lindsay Davis, ABC News, New York.
Lindsay, thank you. Thank you for watching. We'll see you tomorrow. Good night.